大家好，歡迎大家嚟到跟英國人學英文，我係 Debbie。咁今日咧，我哋就嚟到 B1 英文測試嘅第2關。咁事不宜遲啦，我哋開始啦。好啦，咁我哋睇下第一條問題啦。Could you please turn the volume? I'd like to listen to the news. A. Off. B. Out. C. On。好，俾啲時間俾大家諗諗。好啦，答案咧就係 A up 嘅。咁我哋睇翻條問題啦，就係問緊你可唔可以咧去整高個聲量啦？因為咧我想聽新聞咁樣嘅。咁所以我哋呢度講聲量 volume 嚟講咧，我哋會講 turn up 咯，咁樣係啦。第二條 ，Can I have sugar please? A. B. Any. C. Some。好啦，大家覺得答案係咩咧？答案就係 some 啦。咁我哋睇翻條問題咧，就係話我可唔可以要啲糖啊咁樣嘅？唔該咁樣啦。咁所以呢度就會用 some 嘅，即係我係想要一啲糖啦，咁所以就會咁樣用嘅咁樣。咁其實咧，我哋睇翻 A 同 B 嘅答案咧 ，A 咧就係唔會嘅，唔會用 A 嘅，因為 A 係一個可以數到嘅名詞咧先會用嘅 ，countable noun 先會用。咁而 sugar 係 uncountable 嘅，所以係唔會用嘅。咁而 B 咧，我哋都唔會用 any sugar 嘅，因為 any 係一個唔肯定嘅嘢啦。咁如果 sugar 係有好多種類嘅，可能我哋都可以用 any， 即係任何一樣咁樣啦。咁但係 sugar 係一個好明確嘅嘢，砂糖咁樣啦。咁所以我哋就會用 some 啦喺呢個時候。好，第三條 I TV when suddenly something crashed into our house. A. Watched. B. am watching. C. was watching。 大家覺得答案係咩咧？好，答案咧就係 C. was watching 啦。咁其實 was watching 咧就係一個 past continuous tense 啦，就係一個過去進行式。咁就係形容咧過去一段時間裏邊啦，我進行呢個活動咧都進行咗一段時間嘅咁樣。咁我哋睇翻個句子啦。I was watching TV。就係當我去睇電視呢一段嘅時候 ，when suddenly something crashed into our house， 突然之間咧係有一樣嘢去撞咗落我哋個屋嗰度嘅咁樣。咁其實佢係想強調咧，係當我哋進行緊睇電視呢一個比較長時間進行嘅動作嘅時候咧，突然之間有啲嘢係發生咗嘅。咁所以咧，去形容長時間發生嘅嘢，我哋會用 past continuous tense was watching。而短時間發生嘅嘢，我哋會用 simple past tense crashed into 咁樣去區別翻嘅。好，第四條啦。Sally to the co-op every day, but now she doesn't. A. was going. B. used to go. C. didn't used to go。 你哋覺得答案又係咩咧？好啦，答案咧就係 used to go 啦。咁我哋睇翻個句子啦，就話啦，Sally 咧就去吸嘅每一日，但係而家咧佢唔會咯喎。咁所以我哋就用 used to go 咧 ，used to 呢樣嘢咧，去表示一個過去嘅習慣，就係話過去咧佢成日都會去 club 嘅。每一日都會去 club 嘅，但係而家唔會啦，就係形容咧過去成日發生嘅嘢，但係而家已經改變咗，係唔會發生。我哋就會用 used to 再加一個動詞咁樣嘅。好，我哋睇下第五條啦。He hasn't seen Goo. He left school. A. just. B. since. C. for。 大家又覺得係乜嘢咧？答案就係 since 啦。咁我哋睇翻個句子咧，就話佢冇見過 Goo 啦咁樣。咁呢度就係用咗present perfect tense 啦，就係 講係過去到而家都冇見過嬌啦。咁但係由幾時開始咧，我哋就會用 since 呢個字，由佢離開咗學校開始至到而家，佢已經冇見過嬌啦，咁樣嘅。好啦，咁話咁快咧，我哋又做完 B1 文法測試嘅第二關，做晒5條題目啦。咁好，我哋敬請期待第3關啦。拜拜。